Hey guys, it's Sakina of My Brown Sparkles. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd make this video impromptu right now. I just literally remembered that I hadn't filmed this video, and so I was like, I need to go ahead and get this done so it's over with. It'll be the last time I talk about this topic, unless of course you guys want to know more about it. But today we're gonna be talking about my teeth.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my name.
Okay, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm your eco-friendly sustainability hostess with the mostest, and for the past 2 years pretty much I've been on a journey with my teeth. I started back in 2021 where I got something called smart brackets. They are a type of brace that you wear for a shorter period of time. I wore mine for about 9 months until my dentist switched me over to Invisalign. You can check all those videos out. I'll link some above and I'll link some below in the description box below, so you can see the journey I've been on with my teeth to get them to where they are now. But about 2 weeks ago, I had my last consultation before I had my last set of wires put in. So I've been rocking wires behind. They're like, I guess they're called retainers. They're a type of retainer, but they're bonded retainers, so they're bonded to the back of my teeth. I've had them on the top set for a few months now, while I had some final alignments done to the roots for a couple months, and I want to show you guys what that looks like. So you can see that wire. I have the same thing on the top row, and so that last wire set was installed 2 weeks ago. I'm done, guys. I'm finally done with my teeth straightening journey, and I'm super excited about it. I'm happy with the results. Dr. Michelle and her team did an amazing job. She's kind of a perfectionist, so she had me, in there for a very long time, longer than I anticipated, but it's well worth it. I mean, I would have felt I would have had a negative experience had it been rushed and someone would just, hey, you only have to do this for 6 months or 9 months, whatever, and then just let me go because I had completed the prescribed treatment, the original prescribed treatment. But no, she continued to monitor my teeth, and she revised the plan until the teeth looked great. She wasn't going to send me out there looking any kind of way. So Dr. Michelle, kudos to you. Shout out to you and your team. I love your dentist office, and I'll continue to be a customer there, and I'll continue to sing your praises to anyone who asks me about my teeth or about a good dentist in the Austin, Texas area. Lux Dental Austin is the name of the dentist office, and yeah, like I said, they did a great job, and I highly recommend them for just everything. But yeah, so I'm done with my teeth, and I got my retainers, so now all I have to do is wear my retainers, and that's pretty much it. I'm very, very, very happy with the result. As you can see, before and after, I've come a long way. But yeah, I'm happy with the result. And you guys, this has been a journey. It's been a long journey. I'm not sure if anyone else has been considering getting smart brackets or Invisalign, but I've done both, so I really have great honest feedback about my experiences with both of those systems. I've made videos about them. I highly recommend that you check those videos out. But this is it, guys. I'm done, and let me tell you, my teeth feel great. With the bonded retainers, I will say it's a little harder because I have to permanently use a special type of floss or use a water pick to floss my teeth, because the wires prevent me from doing a normal floss. I don't like the water pick. I prefer real floss because I feel like I'm actually getting in there and I can rub that string up against the tooth to kind of scrape off anything that might not be wanting to come dislodged. But yeah, other than that, I've gotten really great feedback on my teeth, and people who have never met me before, who are meeting me with these teeth, don't know what my teeth look like before, and it's a drastic difference. And I feel more confident. I smile a lot more, and I literally feel more confident with my smile, knowing that I don't have like cross bites and I'm throwing up gang signs every time I open my mouth. So that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. Keeping it short and sweet. I just want to give y'all the final recap, final update. If you like this video, if you've been following the journey and you like what you've seen with my teeth journey, or if you have questions, be sure to comment below, and of course give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you want to see more content like this. I have more content coming down the pipeline, so stay tuned. Hello to all my new followers, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
The sweat inside my palms, play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with